What's the meaning of attention? Attention. Attention.
Attention. Attention. Attention refers to a cognitive process that enables individuals to selectively focus their awareness on specific stimuli while ignoring others. In this sense, attention can be seen as a kind of filter that heightens our sensitivity to relevant information. Attention is essential for many aspects of human functioning, including perception, memory, and decision-making. It allows us to prioritize and respond to important information in our environment, and helps us to stay focused and effective in our daily lives. Overall, attention is a critical mechanism that underlies much of our cognitive and behavioral activity.